Everyone says, don't be afraid. That's bad advice, because the truth is, fear is the reason you're still alive. What if I told you? The people who ignore fear are the ones who make the worst decisions. Let's break down the logic of leverage. Fear is not weakness. It's a sophisticated biological sensor, your brain running a real-time risk analysis on your environment. It's your amygdala firing signals to your prefrontal cortex. It's saying, something here can hurt you. Pay attention. Slow down. That hesitation you feel, that's not doubt. That's intelligence trying to protect your assets, physically, financially, and mentally. Remove fear completely and you don't become brave. You become reckless. Bravery requires fear. Recklessness just requires ignorance. Think about urban systems. Crossing a busy road in Lagos without fear, you get hit. Investing blindly in a volatile market without fear, you lose everything. Trusting every signal without verification, you get exploited. Fear creates the caution required for high-level positioning. Caution creates better decisions. Better decisions create better systems. And systems, they survive where motivation fails. The goal isn't to kill the fear, it's to optimize it. You need to decode the data behind the feeling. Useful fear is a shield. It warns you, it sharpens your focus. It forces you to verify your assumptions before you act. Paralyzing fear is a cage. It stops you, it limits your range. It's based on imagined outcomes rather than real-world data. Your job is not to eliminate fear. Your job is to decode it. You need to treat fear as raw data in your decision-making engine. Ask yourself the filtering question. Is this fear protecting my future self, or is it holding back my current potential? If the fear is based on a real, quantifiable risk, respect the signal and adjust your system. Don't ignore the check engine light. But if that fear is based on what-ifs and social ego, that's noise. Challenge the noise and move forward with precision. Here is my execution framework for fear awareness. Step 1. Pause. Do not react emotionally to the signal. Step 2. Analyze the data. Is the threat external or internal? If it's external, build a better system. If it's internal, reframe your perspective. Step 3. Act. High-level career architecture isn't about being fearless. It's about using fear as a competitive advantage to identify risks others ignore. When you respect the signals, you build systems that don't break. You become the one who remains standing when the reckless have fallen. Fear is your built-in survival system. It is the raw material for caution, and caution is the prerequisite for long-term success. The goal isn't to be fearless. The goal is to be fear-aware. Stay focused, stay objective, and stay alive. I am Lawrence. Visit skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video.